Hello everyone, this is Suchi. Welcome to my channel. Today let's know about transportation. The transportation of the nutrients to all the parts of the body is equally important to the production or synthesis of nutrients. Now let's know how exactly transportation of nutrients and water in the plants takes place. Plants take in carbon dioxide and water and produce energy through photosynthesis in the presence of chlorophyll present in the leaves. Along with carbon dioxide and water, the other raw materials are also needed to be absorbed for building plant bodies. For plants, soil is the nearest and the richest source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and other minerals. Absorption of these substances occurs through the part that is in contact with the soil, that is, the roots. If the distance between the roots and the leaves are small, then the energy and the raw materials can be easily diffused to all the parts of the body. But if these distances become large, diffusion process will not be sufficient to provide raw materials in the leaves and energy in the roots. So, a proper system of transportation is necessary. There are two pathways constructed as independently forming conducting tubes, that is, xylem and phloem. Xylem moves water and minerals obtained from the soil, and phloem transports products of photosynthesis from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Now let's know how exactly transport of water takes place in the plants. In the xylem tissue, vessels and tracheates of the roots, stems, and leaves are interconnected to form a continuous system of water conducting channels reaching all parts of the plant. Cells in the roots, which are in contact with the soil, actively take up ions, which creates the difference in the concentration of these ions between the root and the soil. So, water moves into the root from the soil to avoid this difference, which means that there is continuous movement of water into the root xylem, forming a column of water that is continuously pushed upwards. Plants also use another method to move water to the highest points of the plant body. Evaporation of water from the leaf cells creates a suction which pulls water from xylem cells of the roots. So, the loss of the water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is known as transpiration. Along with this, transpiration also helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals dissolved from the roots to the leaves. During daytime, stomata are open. Transpiration pull is the major force for the movement of water. During night time, root pressure is important for the movement of water. This is how water is transported to all the parts of the plants. Now let's know about transportation of food and other substances. The food and the other soluble products are formed in the leaves by the process of photosynthesis. These substances are needed to be transported from the leaves to the other parts of the plants. This process of transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called as translocation. This occurs in the vascular tissue known as phloem. Along with the food produced during photosynthesis, phloem also transports amino acids and other substances to the roots, fruits, and seeds. Translocation of water Transportation of water in xylem is a physical process carried out by physical forces. But translocation in phloem is done by using energy, that is ATP, which increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, which moves water and other materials according to the plant's needs. So now what is osmosis? Osmosis is the process of movement of solvents through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of low solute concentration to a region of high solute concentration. But in contrary, diffusion is a process in which there is movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration, and also there is no need for any semi-permeable membrane in diffusion process. This is how transportation of water, food and other essential mineral substances takes place in the plants. So let's stop here. This was all about transportation in the plants. Please watch, share and comment in the comment box. Do subscribe and click on the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.